How to replace motor wiper on Meriva. On my previous video I was taking off the windscreen, this wiper, and I've done cleaning, refitting back again. After some time this motor again stops working, so I decided to swap it, to change the phone for the new one. So here I have brand new motor wiper and some plastic bits. So at the first beginning we need to use T25 to remove those screws, take this cover back down, and then we have an access to the actual motor wiper. And don't forget about those two, from each side. So now we just need to take this off. You can hear some clicks, and there's a probability that these little tiny frames will be broken. That's why you have to order a new one. See, that's why you have to remove this screw as well, because this was inside of this plastic. So we're gonna have to use a force to pull it out. The cover is down. Bits and pieces, some of them survive, I'm surprised. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, some of them are missing. But first we need to remove this wiper. The rear wiper is off, so it's time to go inside. So electric cable, and then 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. So there we have a new and the old one. Oh, what's that? What is the difference? Okay, doesn't matter. It will fit that anyway. The fittings are correct, fittings the same, and this is not a big difference, not a big deal. So it will fit that. Okay, let's put this on. Quick tip, guys, if you will be having problems in the future, like with the removing windscreen, the rear one, this is an update from my previous video. If you can click the link above. So as you know, I'm changing the motor wiper, and this bit stuck in there, because on my previous video I wasn't able to remove it from the old one, so I removed this from the original wiper, from the plastic, and this stays there. But now when I swap motor wipers, I face a problem to remove this. So obviously this is a normal thinking, so I grabbed these pliers, and because that was right in the middle, so it was sticking out, and I used a simple hammer, bang bang bang, couple of times, and bang, there you go. So all you need to do now is just put this back into its place, and it stays there because it's quite tight, and put it back together. It's working.